Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to enable smart downloads in your Netflix account. Now let's begin. Simply open the Netflix application on your laptop device right now. As you can see, I've already installed the Netflix application on my laptop device. If you do not know how to, we have created a video regarding how to install Netflix on your laptop device. Now let's begin. Right now I want to enable smart downloads on this account right here. So let's look at that. On the top right section of the screen, next to the magnifying glass right here, here are some three dots. Simply click on it. Now what you want to do is simply click on the setting button right here. Now something like this will open up. Well, as you can see, there is the account tab right here. If you simply scroll down, you will see something like smart downloads. Right now it's enabled. Let's see what smart download is. If you enable smart downloads, completed episodes will be deleted and replaced with new episodes. So you can do that as well. Right here it's enabled. In case smart downloads is not enabled, simply click on this button right here and enable it. And below it, here's the video quality. You can select between the standard download quality and high quality download. And right here is the option that says delete all downloads. If you click on it, it will delete all the offline Netflix video that you have downloaded. Well guys, that's it for the video. That's how we enable smart downloads on your Netflix account. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.